Alright, here is a quick unboxing. So just got this DB3DL2 cordless drill driver from Hikoki. Has two batteries included, 3.6 volt, low and high range, left and right. Ba-bum. It's made in China. Okay. But it is a Japanese tool, of course. So you can use it in the gun shape or just a screwdriver shape. Okay, we have spindle lock function for manual tightening. Okay, interesting. It has a hex chuck. Okay, LED lightning. Alright, soft grip, straight to pistol. Okay, let's open it up. So difficult one-handed. Hang on, let me use my legs. Here we go. So, nice little box. It has these tabs on the sides. You have to pull them outwards. Alright. Behold the drill driver. So we have one PH2 bit, we have a charger, we have the two batteries. One is installed in the tool, one is right here, and this is the user's manual. Okay, let's look at the tool. It's nice. It's... oh, alright. So it's just that's very easy indeed. So, left, right. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, there's turning. Oh, and this one locks. If you do like this, you can't press the buttons. What do we have here? Oh, high range, low range. Let's see, low range. Let's see, high range. Okay. Oh. This would be the light. Oh yeah. So it's a manual light. When you're done, you plug it off. Alright, let's see. 3.6 volts Hikoki battery. Okay. It fits in the charger like that. Okay. Let's try it out. Okay, so it has a chuck. Oh, it's a very stiff chuck. You're gonna have to do it with two hands. It's pretty fast. Let's try it out. So, I've got a wall with some holes, test wall. You can use a pistol grip. Take one out. No. Okay, they're too tight for number, where are we? 3. Yeah. So let's see the light. It's a good light. I've put it on number 13. One-handed. Okay. Ooh. That's very nice. I'm only halfway. I like it. Let's try it in the straight. No, too tight. Let's put it on maximum on the drill. Now it's on drill. And this one was a tight one. And that's on high. Let's try it on low. I like it. So, first impressions. I really like it. It has a nice grip. It really feels great in the hand. Very easy to work with, and especially when you're working top to down like this, you know, that kind of work. Okay. Yeah, it's great. It's a screwdriver, so it's not a drill. I have bigger drills if I need more power, but for the small stuff, this is perfect. For example, these kind of things.